Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to ask you a very important question. Is Proton Mail truly anonymous? I'm going to give you everything you need to know in under 3 minutes. Is Proton Mail truly anonymous? Is one of the biggest questions in privacy, and the answer is more nuanced than a simple yes or no. Here's what you absolutely need to know. First, what Proton Mail does brilliantly is end-to-end encryption. When you email another Proton Mail user, your message is encrypted on your device and only decrypted on theirs. Not even Proton can read it. They also offer zero access encryption for your mailbox, meaning your stored emails are encrypted with a key they don't have. But here's the crucial part. If you email someone outside of Proton Mail, like a Gmail or Outlook address, that message is not end-to-end encrypted by default. It becomes a standard unencrypted email once it leaves Proton servers, just like any other. Now, for anonymity, you can sign up for a free Proton Mail account without providing any personal information like your name or phone number. This provides a strong layer of pseudonymity. By default, Proton Mail does not log your IP address associated with your account activity. This is a huge privacy advantage over services like Gmail. This means your physical location isn't tied to your account by default. Proton is based in Switzerland, which has some of the world's strongest privacy laws. They cannot be forced to hand over user data by US or EU court order. They can only be compelled by Swiss court order, which has a very high legal bar for privacy cases. But you're not invincible. If you log into your account from your home IP address or a personal device, you can potentially be linked to it. For stronger anonymity, you should use Proton Mail over the TOR network or a trustworthy VPN. So the final verdict. Proton Mail is highly private and secure by design. Your emails are safe from mass surveillance and even from Proton itself. But true 100% anonymity depends on your habits. Do not provide personal information as sign-up. Use a VPN or TOR. Be mindful of who you email, and don't reveal identifying details in your messages itself. Do not reveal identifying details in your messages themselves. Think of Proton Mail not as an invisibility cloak, but as a powerful, secure fortress for your communication. Its strength protects you, but what you do inside the walls is still up to you. Hope you found this video helpful.